Hospital in Cleveland closes its doors, leaving some workers facing an uncertain future. They're telling us they only got 4 hours notice that Texas Emergency Hospital was closing its doors for good, and some have no idea how or when they're getting that last paycheck. KPRC2's Ricky Munoz live outside the hospital. Ricky, what's the latest there?
And the workers that I spoke to are both worried and angry. Now, a lot of them did find out through that memo, but a lot of them also found out through the sign that's at this front door. Now, ownership changed back in April, and now workers are wondering, where is that last paycheck coming from?
We showed up at the hospital today where we noticed a sign at the door. It says Texas Rural Hospitals LLC is closed. An employee tells me she learned about the building closure around 3 p.m. Monday, and the sign was posted around 7 p.m. Some employees say they received layoff notices from Texas Emergency Hospitals back in February. Their letter said the closure was due to changes in reimbursement from payers and the unexpected decrease in the hospital's Medicaid interim rate. The hospital also noted that with ever-increasing costs associated with the hospital's operations, a situation occurred that required the closure of its Cleveland campus. At the time, the unexpected closure date was April 29th, according to the letter. Now, the workers tell me they've tried to reach out to find out why they haven't gotten paid. They tell me they reached out to the CEO and made phone calls and have not heard back yet.
The payment, you haven't gotten paid.
No.
Like, what's the deal with that?
We don't know. Our check before that we actually did get was late. They had a meeting and they said, hey, your checks are not going to hit Friday, possibly Monday, but this is not going to happen again, et cetera. So next payroll comes this past Friday, the 9th. You're not going to get paid. We're in the works, trying to get this done. The excuse was that the sale did not finalize. The investor went against his advisors on paying us the first time, and that they refused to pay us this time because the sale had not finalized. This is home. These patients that come in, a lot of them I know. A lot of them, some families, best friends, high school, their kids.
Yeah, she's right, Andy. And this Cleveland community is very tight. Everybody knows each other. Now, I'm trying to figure out who is ultimately responsible so these workers could get their last payment. As soon as I try to figure out and find out who is, I'll keep you updated on air and online. Reporting live in Cleveland, Ricky Munoz, KPRC 2 News.
That closing certainly leading to so much frustration. Ricky, thank you.